Mal's got himself stuck. Our first trick is going to be to reduce the recovery load. So we've done that by getting the driver and the passengers out, and we've got them away to a safe distance. The driver will then come over and look at making the recovery as easy as possible. So we're going to get out our shovel, dig out around the wheels. We're going to make sure that the diffs aren't backed up with sand, so that when we do actually do our snatch recovery, it's going to have as little resistance as possible. So we'll start with the shovel. Okay, we just take the sand away from in front of the wheels. Ideally, when we dig him out, we want to actually dig a ramp so that as soon as we pull him forward, we're also pulling up and breaking any suction of the sand. Next thing is to have a look at the front diff and see if that's clear. And in this case, it's well buried, so we clear out around that as well. That's the front done. Now we'll go down the back and do the rear tyres. And now same again, we're going to get in there and dig out another ramp for the rear tyres. That's that one done. Now we'll do the other side. Now with the tyres and diffs done, it's time to look at our recovery points. Now this vehicle's been fitted with 2 recovery points. That enables us to spread the load during a recovery. Now the gear we need for this recovery is an 8,000 kilo snatch strap, a couple of rated shackles and a bridle. Now our 2 rated shackles will go in the eyes of our bridle, and that's how we'll begin. Put the shackle through the eye of the strap and attach it to the recovery point. When we get it finger tight, we just back off a quarter of a turn to stop it jamming up. Now we take the eye of the snatch strap and put it over the eye of the bridle. Move it down to the wear protector. And we hook up our other shackle. And the next thing I do is roll out the strap. And our recovery dampener goes on top of the strap just to keep things under control if something does go awry. Okay, the next thing we do is we put an S in the strap. Now S is for slow. It prevents anyone from getting a really big run up and controls the amount of energy put into the strap. Now the last piece of equipment we need is a billet hitch. Put our billet hitch in the receiver and secure it with the pin. Now the next step is for our drivers to come up with a plan. We only want to put a gentle pull on this in the first instance, and it's really important that both drivers know what's going on. Now the last thing we do after making sure that all of our bystanders are well clear is hook up to the recovery vehicle. Ready to go, Mal? Nice and easy. With the vehicle now fully recovered, we've cleaned and checked the gear and put it away ready for next time. This recovery goes to show that you don't need a lot of force or momentum to recover a vehicle. There's much more environmentally friendly ways to do it. So guys, take it easy and tread lightly.